welcome to another vlog of Day in the life of software engineer. I'm a mobile app developer and this is how a typical day in my work from home life looks like. I usually go up for a morning walk or cycling, but today wasn't one of those days. I was working late last night, so I just decided to make myself some breakfast and jump into fixing that damn bug. My room is also my art studio and hub of every other hobby I get, so it's very much messy. Okay, this vlog might not be something you are expecting because I don't start my day by checking my emails because I usually forget doing that. I'm just a very unorganized person, so it's just on vibe. Everything just goes on a vibe here. I don't have a morning stand-up or any such meetings. My company does follow Scrum methods, but I'm working alone right now, directly with the client. It's a one-man team kind of thing. So I don't usually have a daily meetings, but I do have weekly meetings with the clients and some other company meetings in the noon. So I just started my system, which I basically put to sleep last night while I put myself to sleep and started to fix the bug. It was a very real bug. I couldn't figure it out last day and it was bugging me. By the way, I'm working for a company named DPL. They're an agile company and they have a very good working environment. I only worked at the office for 3 months before COVID hit. I missed working at the office because they had a very cool environment and all the interior and everything about the office was great, and we could even play games in the free time. So that was that. And the work from home, while it has some privileges, but you have to stare at the same wall for like 24 hours. It sometimes gets in your head. But good news for me is they are opening new building with hybrid policy. From initial looks, it looks way better in many aspects. The interior is cool and small things like gaming room, sunroom, tea corner, and they even have a small cafe which gives coffee shop vibes. And I love coffee shop vibes. If you want to see my new office, let me know in comments. I might make office tour video or something. I take small breaks every now and then. It boosts your productivity. And I like to watch all seasons because you don't have to wait for episodes to release. You can just binge watch or whatever. You just don't have to be curious. You can skip episodes. Right now I've started a anime without waiting for it to be finished. One Piece. And now I'm waiting for more episodes. I'm stuck at 1050. Okay, as I mentioned earlier in the video, it might be a very disappointing day in the life of software engineer video, and especially if you are a student or just starting in the industry, because it's not always like in the movies. There's no mad typing, there is no hey I'm in, I fixed it. No, there's nothing like that. Well, maybe sometimes, but most it is a lot of scrolling, staring at your code, guessing, lots of Stack Overflow, and questioning your abilities. But at the end, things usually come together and you fix stuff and it makes you happy. There was a meeting soon and I had to set up my camera because my machine's camera was broken. It was an old MacBook Pro. Right now while I'm editing this, I've got a new MacBook Pro with 2.5 GHz processor, 16-inch display with radio graphics. But it's an Intel chip and I wanted an M1. Might upgrade soon though. Our working environment is very light and cool. Everybody is so cool with everyone, so we share a lot of memes and stuff in the office channels all the time. Before noon, I had a couple of meetings. Usually, I don't have any, and honestly, I don't like having meetings because it breaks my bubble, and I have to get in my developing zone once again after the meetings, and it takes a lot of time. Usually, I don't even take lunch breaks, but today, as my bag was finally fixed, and after the meeting, I was so out of the zone, so I decided to head out for a game. We went to watch a cricket match that was happening in our area. It was fun. I don't even understand cricket, it's not my thing. I just went with my family. My brother got us VIP pass, so I was just there for food. Afternoon time, I worked a little bit at a new feature, but mostly it was nothing much. I was free around 5 to 6 p.m. Around evening, weather was very good around the city, so I made a plan with girls to go out for high tea, but we actually ended up ordering a whole supper. Well, that's all. Then I headed home to spend some time with the family. I did a quick workout and went to bed. I'm just waiting for office to start to set up my good routine. But until then, thank you for watching and bye bye.